Hello everyone, this is Caroline from Shine Label. Today I will review to you distinguishing characteristics of paper and film materials and briefly introduce the advantages of our factory.
First, let's understand what makes paper-based materials unique. Paper materials have a rough surface, so they have a strong ink absorption and ink adhesion. This enables the paper labels to show the excellent effects of bright colors and clear patterns during printing. Paper labels are often used in advertising and product packaging, adding a lot to your brand. However, film materials also have their unique advantages. The surface of conventional film materials is too smooth, resulting in poor ink adhesion. In order to solve this problem, our Shine Label factory performs corona discharge treatment on all film materials to improve their ink adhesion of the materials, thereby improving the color rendering effect of printing. This way you get water, oil, and scratch-resistant labels that are suitable for outdoor environments and long-term use. The advantages of the Shine Label factory are also not to be ignored. Diversified choices, we provide a wide range of label materials options, including various paper and film, to meet the different requirements from customers. Environmental responsibility, we're committed to sustainable development and using environmentally friendly materials and production process to minimize our impact on the environment. For example, we have replaced the traditional oil glue with a new type of environmentally friendly UV glue because the absorption of UV glue is safer, more environmentally friendly, and will not increase environmental pollution, which is liked by many EU countries. It is also one of our main advantage products. Quality assurance, we strictly control products' quality, and every link from raw materials procurement to production process has been strictly inspected to ensure that every label is a high-quality choice. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to providing you with the most satisfactory labeling solution. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks again.